Welcome to my blind taste testing of all of the Mud products. I think I can already guess what this is just from the smell, but let's taste. This one I think is the Rubious Rest Tin. I would give this a 8 out of 10. I'm quite close. Okay, this one. This one definitely smells turmeric-y. I am gonna say that's the Golden Tin, like a 9 out of 10. Next tin. Matcha, 100% matcha. What I love about this one is you can't actually like taste the mushrooms. 11 out of 10. Okay, last one. The classic, she's the original, the OG Mud Tin. 10 out of 10.